Have you ever picked up your car from the shop and thought, was that even a problem I needed to fix? Or why was that so expensive? You're not alone. Service is disliked by almost everyone, but there's a better way that's unbiased and transparent, potentially saving you thousands of dollars. Introducing Raise a Hood, which combines AI analytics and seasoned mechanics, allowing you to address problems intelligently and affordably. We provide comprehensive solutions with advanced technologies while maintaining a personal touch. We work solely for you, the owner. So no scare tactics, upsells, or inflated repair bills. In fact, on larger repairs, most customers save over $1,000 while still saving time and unnecessary anxiety. How do we do it? We created Gus, our patent-pending AI engine, which gives you accurate diagnostics without going to a shop. We offer video calls with telemechanics, acting as your unbiased advisor. We even publish video repair procedures for self-repair. So why continue with expensive and questionable repairs? We get to the problem quickly so you can solve it most economically before a shop ever has to raise a hood.